How to delete Snapchat chats after viewing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Snapchat chats after viewing. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on the phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the chat section, simply tap on the conversation that you want to manage. Now here, once you are inside the chats option, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon at the top. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on chat and notification settings. And now here in this section, you can just tap on this option that says delete chats. And after that, on the next pop-up menu, you can just select after viewing. And with that, now all new messages in the chat will automatically delete once they are viewed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.